Okay, back at it here at the machine shop. I need to get this building like absolutely completely empty. So I have borrowed a box truck from the good folks over there at Black Dog Salvage, and I will be loading absolutely everything that's left in here. Lights, wood, other various fixtures, workbenches, and just bringing it to my garage at home. I've pretty much used up all the warehouse space at Black Dog and all the warehouse space down the street that Jerry's letting me use. So this one's on me. I'm gonna put all this stuff in my house. And also quite soon, hopefully, once the ceiling is clean, we'll be pouring a new concrete slab in here. So that definitely means that everything needs to be clean, clear, and out of the way. So onward and upward, gonna be loading stuff into the truck.
As fast as skipping stones, and I don't see the point in pretending. You messed up, now the chance is gone, if there ever was one. Now you're stuck here.
We're driving through downtown Roanoke right now. The machine shop is pretty much in smack dab downtown Roanoke. And I live in southeast on the other side of it. So yeah, it's about a 20-25 minute drive to my house, and I'll be putting the last bit of things in my garage. And then we'll take this truck back to Black Dog and load the multicolored pickup, Wilson as we call it, up with all the trash, take it to the dump, and hopefully the shop at that point will be nice and empty. Man, it's been 2.5 years, but this building is almost empty.
As fast as skipping stones, and I don't see the point in pretending.
All right, I'm here at my house. I have a 3-bay detached garage and a single bay attached garage over here. I think what I'm gonna do is I've got a Nissan 240 drift cart. I'm gonna pull that out since it's not waterproof and put it in here, and then take my Mercedes, put it over there, and the Beamer in there, and put it maybe back there. That way this entire shop can be filled with the stuff in that truck. But yeah, here's the race car. It's a 93 Nissan 240 SX with an imported 1JZ GTE VVTi paired with a 5-speed R154 transmission, slightly rebuilt internals, custom front end, full roll cage, race seats, fuel cell, custom dash. Anyway, as if I needed more projects, this is one of my passion builds here. So distraction over. I'm gonna move this thing into there, these 2 cars out, and then I'll have space in here to fill with things. So yeah, that thing's kind of obnoxious and fun. Now I'm gonna move BMW out, and we'll have all this space. This thing is dead. So now I got one German lady breathing life into the other German lady. So seems to be a running theme on this channel, about 4 or 5 steps just to accomplish the original step. So yeah, let this battery charge up, get it out of here, then we'll put stuff in the garage. Hey.
As fast as skipping stones, and I don't see the point in pretending. Is it hard to swallow?
a sign that this project is progressing in a quick pace, because the custom car building side of me is being taken over by the building overhaul side of me. Anyway, yep, this is my home garage. It is now starting to be filled up with machine shop stuff, but that's okay because the building's almost empty and it'll be able to go right back in as soon as we pour the concrete slab. So that's that for this video. I think we're gonna get this truck back to Black Dog. So, yeehaw!